Next we move on to specification number 9, which asks us to describe how HIV is transmitted. HIV can be transmitted in several ways. These include the use of non-sterile syringes or medical tools, transmission from a mother to her baby during pregnancy or through breastfeeding, blood transfusions, organ transplants from an infected donor, and unprotected sexual intercourse with an infected person. However, it is important to understand how HIV is not transmitted. HIV cannot be spread through food or drink, sharing utensils, insect bites, clothing or towels, or through contact with toilets or showers. HIV is transmitted through the exchange of infected body fluids such as blood, semen, vaginal fluids, rectal fluids, and breast milk. Unprotected sexual intercourse allows direct contact and the exchange of these body fluids, making it the most common way HIV passes from one person to another. Sharing contaminated needles, for example during drug use, tattooing, or piercing with unsterilized equipment, can transmit infected blood directly into the bloodstream. HIV can also be passed from a mother to her child during pregnancy, during childbirth, or through breastfeeding. In rare cases, HIV may be transmitted through infected blood products such as blood transfusions or organ transplants, although this is now uncommon in countries where strict blood screening is practiced. It is important to note that HIV cannot be transmitted through casual contact such as hugging, sharing food or personal items, or through mosquito bites.